We have seen 6 venture-backed
Right.
IPOs. They seem to be doing pretty well, yet there isn't a ton of companies in the queue to go public.
Exactly, and that's a concern. I mean, you look at these are 6 companies that went public, which is by no means a high number. But when you look at those 6, they've done very well. They're from disparate parts of the country. They're in disparate types of technologies. And you'd think that this would have started at least some interest in venture-backed companies registering to go public with the SEC. And we're not seeing that yet. And that's a concern because that means that even if the IPO market opens, you're not going to see a raft of companies going public, at least that are venture-backed in the 3rd quarter, and most likely now in the 4th quarter as well.
Looking forward, how do you see this year affecting venture capital for the next 3, 4, 5 years?
Well, I think that what venture capital firms really need to be doing today is having very solid succession plans so that those younger venture capitalists understand that they are in these venture capital firms for the long haul. And so the more senior venture capitalists have to start playing the role of mentor and have to step back from some of the administrative activities and let these younger partners take a more active role in front of limited partners so that these limited partners know who these folks are now so that they continue to invest in these firms 3, 5, 10 years down the pike. So I think that what you're going to see, the firms that succeed long term are those who are going to be able to leave the ego at the door and be able to work amongst themselves for the good of the firm and the good of the limited partners.
So maybe following Paul Ferri's example at Matrix Partners.
Absolutely. I think that's a great example of a very successful firm, a very successful individual who has said very publicly, I'm stepping away, I'm still going to do some things with this firm, but it's these young, great people that I've mentored over the years who are really going to take this firm to the next level.